Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. Now I saw Mark Hill Hair bring out a new barrel for their Pick and Mix wand and I got my hands on it. They kindly gifted it to me and I thought I would review it for you guys because it is something that I basically try and do to my hair every day anyway, but with my straighteners. Now, they've brought out a Mermaid Waver, which is this one right here. Now, it looks absolutely amazing. It creates the most amazing kind of large crimp wave on your hair. And yeah, this is basically what I try and achieve with my straighteners. So I thought it'd be super interesting to actually try a product that is going to be so much easier to use and creates consistent waves all over my hair. So obviously in the pictures here we've got a long hair and short hair model, but the girl with short hair, her hair's quite long still. Mine's shoulder length hair, so I want to see what this does on mine. And yeah, I'm going to be reviewing it in today's video. So to be able to use the Mermaid Waver, you need the Pick and Mix handle from Mark Hill, which I've got right here. And all you do is pop it in like so, and then you turn this bit and there's like a little padlock symbol and it locks in place, and that is in there. And then we're going to turn it on. And in the meantime, we're going to section my hair.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
Like so. Right, so now my hair is sectioned and the Mermaid Waver is heated up. Let's get waving. Right, I'm super excited to see how this turns out. Don't know how long you leave it on for. Ooh, not sure what happened there. That didn't look that great. I feel like this is going to be hard because my hair is so short. I feel like I need to leave it on for like a little bit longer. Oh, it's burning my ear. Oh, that's hot. I feel like it's just this bottom bit I need to kind of sort out. I think it is going to be hard because my hair is so short. No, how do I do this? Oh, there we go. Okay. I feel like it's just going to take me a little bit longer to do the underneath. Yeah. I feel like with short hair it's going to be a bit weird on the underneath. I feel like maybe I shouldn't go so high up because up here my hair's a bit longer, so it will work a lot better. So I feel like maybe we should just stick to kind of doing the bottom sections. It's quite good. You can take thicker sections of hair. Maybe I'm holding it the wrong way around. That's a little bit better. I feel like I just can't go too high up. Let's try it the other way. That feels a bit better. Let's see what it looks like when I pull it out. Oh! There we go. Definitely holding it the wrong way around, I think, because that there looks amazing. Look at that one. Oh, okay. Right. Let's just ignore this side. Let's try this side again. I hope this looks really good when I've finished. Okay, so we're going to do it this way. Okay, I feel like this is going to be better. I don't know, but what's this? What's happened there? The curls definitely work better doing it this way around for me anyway, but then I've got this crink. I'm not sure about this on the short hair. It is quite difficult, I have to say. Now, there's one little useful thing that comes in the kit, and that is these little gloves to stop your fingers from burning. So I probably am going to put those on, to be honest, because it's getting a little bit difficult on these shorter bits of hair. They're so funky. They're just like 3-finger gloves. Right, I'm going to keep waving and then I'll show you what the bottom section looks like.
Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so
finished the bottom section of hair. I don't know if I've got any straight bits, I hope I haven't. And I have to say, it is actually so much easier using this Mermaid Waver by Mark Hill than using my straighteners to get the tiny little bits under here, because I tend to just end up leaving them quite straight, but I've actually managed to kind of create just a little kink so it all really blends in. So that is actually a plus from this. It doesn't look too bad. I feel like the top sections are going to look way better. It is difficult with how short my hair is, but it's looking okay at the moment, so let's continue.
Without you, baby, want you all night long, want you all night long, want you watch all night, 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 watch all night.
Okay, I have to say it's become a lot easier. Oh, okay, so it's a lot easier doing this sort of length of hair, but on this side I think because I'm right-handed I'm struggling, so I'm really having to use the gloves here to make sure I don't get burnt, because I just need to pull that hair straight. There we go. It's actually looking really nice and it's so consistent, so much better than using my straighteners, I have to say. Ooh, okay, I'm really liking this now. I was a bit worried on that bottom layer, but I love it. Okay, let's keep going.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
Okay, so this should be the easiest layer of hair now to wave.
Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Okay, so that section's done. Just need to take down this last bit, but it's looking really good. Like, so consistent. Really nice. Okay, and we are done. I am actually really surprised and pleased with this Mark Hill Mermaid Waver product. Like, I honestly didn't think it was going to look that nice on my short hair, but it's really good. Oh, I've got a couple of straight bits here, I just need to redo. But yeah, oh my god, like, honestly, I'm so surprised. It looks amazing. I'm really, really happy with that. And I think the size of the barrel is like the perfect size for kind of any hair length. Like, well, I say any hair length. To be honest, if your hair's probably a little bit shorter than mine, you probably will struggle. Yeah, I reckon you could get away if it was just a little, maybe kind of like here. You could get away with it, especially on the top layer, it'll be fine. It's just the underneath is a little bit difficult. But as you can see, I did have a bit of difficulty on the underneath. So yeah, I would probably say if your hair is below your ears, then this is probably going to work really well for you. If it's above your ears, you're probably going to struggle, and you might want to try and find one that's smaller, or get some really little straighteners and use the straighteners to go like back and forth to kind of crimp your hair. I feel like that's probably going to be the best way for you. But anyone with long hair, this is going to look sick. And I just love how consistent all the waves are. Gives me so much volume. And yeah, I'm loving it. I love how it looks. I'm really, really happy. And like, my hair feels like super soft. Doesn't feel like kind of frazzled or anything like that. I feel like they heat up to like quite a good temperature, and you don't actually have to leave it on your hair for that long to get that wave effect. But yeah, definitely give that product a thumbs up. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I just kindly got gifted the product and I really wanted to review it for you guys because this is like my everyday look I'd go for. And if there is a product that comes out that can achieve this without using straighteners and looking so fab, obviously I'm going to want to shout about it. So yeah, I'm actually really pleasantly surprised, and yeah, I'll pop the links below if you want to shop the Pick and Mix handle and the Mermaid Waver. They've got loads of other barrels on their website. I've actually used a couple before. I love the corkscrew one. That literally gives you such like tight ringlets. It's so fab. And yeah, there's lots of other ones if you want to check them out. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, I'll see you in another video here very, very soon. Peace out.